Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am actually watching your tech and coding on MyCodeWorks. So guys, as you know, AI is already in hype, and now Android developers, they are also interested in AI, and they want AI to be used in Android Studio. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Android Studio and how to use Google and Gemini that is integrated in Android Studio. Let's see this now. Okay, so without any delay, let's jump into the main section. And if you have subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. Okay, so let's jump into the main section now. I want to install Android Studio, right? So Android, first we are going to install Android Studio. So let's click on download Android Studio, and then we will install it. As what are the new features are there, if you see here that the official ID for Android app development now associated with your productivity with Gemini. If you see here, Gemini is already added inside this one, and these are the things or the command you can tell now Gemini will do on the behalf of you, right? So directly let's do what are the feature drop, right? Android Studio Auto 2 feature drop, and these are the things that you will see, and I have read. Now let's click on this. Okay, so try Gemini in Android Studio. We are going to see all these things. Okay, I will try Gemini in Android Studio, try Android Studio Cloud. So you want to run the Android Studio Cloud, we will see next video, right? We can run Android Studio anywhere, right? From anywhere. We are going to explore this section in next video. As of now, we are going to just simply install, and we are going to use Gemini in Android Studio for building application using AI. So I think it will take a little time. It's around 1.3 GB, so it may take around 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for this. Finally, Android Studio is downloaded here, and if you see here, it is downloaded. So let's click on this open, and it will open the installation window so that we can continue and configure it in our system. We can install this easily. Okay, so let's wait little time, and till that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. Now setup is being loaded here. Next, I don't want virtual device, but let's install it. No issues. Next. Okay, so it's being installed here, and we can wait a little time for this. Okay, now installation has been complete here. Let's click on next and start the Android Studio. Don't send usage report. So it's downloading the SDK components. It may take around few minutes or seconds. It's up to the speed. And let's click on next. Standard. Click on next. Accept, and then so here the main part is going to be downloaded here. So if you see here, the emulator is going to download first because we have marked as install virtual device also. So this is going to install emulator, and the size is around 425 MB. We can see here, so it will take a little time. We can wait, or we can fast forward this video. So finally, Android Studio is now installed in our system, and let's finish it. Okay, and let's create a project, new open project, and then empty activity, and we can select a lot of things are there. Basic activity. Okay, so let's make it as a empty activity. Next, I will mark this as a MyCodeWorks one application here. Okay, and API 24 Nougat Pi, we can select the API here. So let's click select the base one, or we can say 24 Nougat. Okay, so most of the 98.6 of the percent is saying they are using this. And Groovy Kotlin, so we are going with Kotlin. Okay, recommended. Let's finish it, and it will take hardly a second, and we can wait. So now Android Studio is installed in our system. The main part is the assistant. Gemini assistant is the main part of this video, and installation also one of the important part, but we are done with installation now. Now we are going to use the Gemini assistant to write the code here and take the help from AI tools. Okay, so let's wait a little time. So main activity.kt Kotlin, it's writing in Kotlin, and we can wait a little time if you see here. Okay, so if you want to run this particular okay, so let's find out where is that particular chat. Okay, so I think chat is the option here. If you see here, sign in to Google or use an AI studio model. So use AI studio model, where is that? Let's click on this first and then we will integrate. Okay, so AI studio model, we can get API from Google AI Studio or Gemini. Okay, so Gemini means you need to log in. I will just log in it here. Let's wait for no, not this. I will just copy paste here the same URL here to open that. So I want to log in with this particular account. Cannot be the small form. Okay, I have copy pasted, that's why it is showing, but okay, we can continue with this one. Let's see. Okay, it's a normal. Gemini is available for all of the Google accounts, so we can use it for any Gmail devices or Gmail account. So if you see here, we are logged in with this one, and we can explore. These are the things. Okay, if you go back now again, we are authorized here and finish it. Now we will able to chat with this particular code. We are able to chat with the or create new screen. So just a second, must be. Let's agree this, and then privacy. Yes, next use. Let's click on recommended features. Apply to all projects. I will apply to all projects and finish it. So it will take a little time. If you see here, the Gradle project sync in progress. It started building and syncing. So here are the things are there. Prompt to try. You can try out. Fix the warning and error in the editor. Fix the resolve builds and extract all the hard-coded string from the class and move to string.xml. But you can check out these things. API key and model, context. So these are the things. Agent.md files, rules, current file. So what is the context? I want. So all of them are clicked, right? So we can work with the agent as well as current file, and rules. We can add rules if rules you have. So this is something that we wanted to try, and if suppose wanted to understand the code, right? AI, if you go right and write the generate code. Okay, so hello name, greeting MyCodeWorks theme. I will say implement splash screen or something, right? Okay, let's generate code. Rethink prompt library. Here are some library already there. Explain code. Okay, so if you want to understand what is this particular code is working or doing, let's copy and extract or transform selected code, document, explain code. So I will click explain code. Now this particular code is going to be inside this chat mode, and the Gemini is going to explain this what exactly it is. Preview notation is powerful tool provided Jetpack Compose for UI development, and these are the things. Now if you want to add any code here and write something like add modify this, right? Okay, okay, so this one should be, let's do one thing, and if you see here, I just added one space here. Now it is recommending me or suggesting me. So this is also one of the auto complete, tab to complete, right? If I say image something, or let's say 1 second, okay, let's do one thing, generate code, add splash screen. Okay, I just said add splash screen. Let's see how it is behaving here. Generating code unable to provide full. Okay, so let's something generate code. Gemini was, maybe the context is not able to understand where we are writing this, right? So this is what something like I wanted to tell you that Android Studio is now coming with Gemini, and we can increase the productivity of app development using Gemini AI code, and we can also get help from AI. So this is all about today's video, and if you have any doubt, please let me in comment section. I will try to help you out, guys. And thanks for watching this video. If you really find this video helpful for you, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy installation.